Hey guys, welcome. Another day. Happy Tuesday. We have FOMC tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Honestly, I'm not even looking to trade anything because I'm still holding my Netflix and Microsoft puts, and those are looking great. Microsoft is again at 327. I want to see Microsoft losing 327, but okay, let's see my watch list here. I have it here. Today's 19. Yeah. So, my watch list is Meta, but only I was looking Meta if we had a strong market today. So far Meta is a no for me. Nvidia, I was looking Nvidia 440, pretty much yesterday high 440. Let's see what is Nvidia right now because everything's dying. Oh, but Nvidia is holding very good. Nvidia is holding very good. So basically, it's gonna be if Nvidia can hold pre-market low. Mm, Nvidia was looking for 40. But yeah, it's gonna be if Nvidia can hold pre-market low or not. But Nvidia so far is looking like it's holding pretty good compared to Microsoft. And let's see what else. Apple is also a little bit down. So yeah, I have Nvidia, Tesla. I wanted to see if Tesla can lose to like pretty much yesterday's low. It's around 265. I have 265, 264. Under that level, Tesla could go to, I'm sorry, yeah, 265, 264. Under that level, which is yesterday's low, I can see Tesla going to 160 again. So I need to change this because here is 260, not 160. It's 260. Okay, so Tesla, it's kind of holding 264. Under 264, we can play the rejection here. So it's pretty much Tesla, Nvidia, and I had Meta, but let's see where is Meta pre-market because I know a bunch of things moved because of we have data at 8:30. Meta is doing nothing, so under 300 is the level, like 300 is the level that I see on Meta, but I still don't love it. I like when I post my pre-market plan, I was looking Meta for a bounce here, but I wanted to see a Meta holding above yesterday high. So above yesterday high, I like Meta for a bounce here to at least 306, 308, around there. But if the market is weak, I'm not really looking to trade Meta. So I'm holding Netflix and Microsoft from yesterday. In fact I added more Microsoft when it double topped here at around 3:30. Later in the day, like here, I added more. So yeah, I'm gonna look if if Microsoft can lose 327. It's pretty much yesterday's low, 326, 327. It can really like die because I can see a lot of support here. We have a lot of support here around 327. So yeah, that's my watch list. I'm basically holding Microsoft from yesterday, Netflix from yesterday. It's still under 400, which is my level. That's my stop loss above 400. I'm gonna get out. If not, I'm gonna keep holding, but I think I'm gonna sell everything today because tomorrow is FOMC and I don't want to deal with that craziness. In fact, I maybe don't even trade tomorrow. Maybe I don't even trade tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know, but I don't like trading on big news, important days, because the market just technical analysis just doesn't work when you have days like that. And I'm a technical trader, so I don't trade on based on fundamentals. So that's those days are not bueno for me. But yeah, um, so Nvidia, yeah, under 440, I will say 443, which is I think yesterday high. The thing is, like Nvidia, you need to have like a big range for stop loss and PTs, because Nvidia can move easy 10 points. But well, Nvidia is just dying. Microsoft under it's at 326. Love it. I love it, but I don't like when the market moves so much pre-market, because then what I'm gonna trade? I don't know what I'm gonna trade if the market move that much. But yeah, also with Microsoft, I'm gonna take some profit at open. I'm gonna look to take some profit at open, but if it is at 325, there is there is not much support there. Yeah, it lost 327, 326. And if keeps using 327, if bounce and use 326, 327 as a resistance, that's extremely bearish. So yeah, no, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna see if it's gonna try to bounce back to 327. If not, I'm just gonna keep holding, because this move is extremely bearish on Microsoft. For the SPY and the Q, SPY is holding. It's kind of holding. I don't know why Microsoft is so dead, because SPY is holding there. The Q is trying to hold yesterday's low. So pretty much we need to see, yeah. So the level to watch on the Q is yesterday's low. If can hold yesterday's low, we maybe get a bounce. If uses yesterday's low as resistance, that's the playing for more downside. And same with the SPY. SPY, yesterday's low is the level to watch. So yeah, so basically I'm just gonna watch Microsoft, and my both of my plays, Microsoft and Netflix, and maybe trade Nvidia, but I don't need to. I don't need to trade anything. I'm pretty happy with my swings from yesterday, so I don't need to trade anything. Maybe I look for to trade futures. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see, because now we have a gap here. Ooh, and he's just dead. What the heck? I think I missed my entry on features. Netflix is holding pretty good. Microsoft dead. I'm gonna wait because Spy could like bounce here and try to fill this little gap here. And Apple is holding 177.5, which was yesterday. Yesterday was a little support there. Whoa, Tesla had a big bounce from 260 to 64. I kind of like Apple calls, but I don't know. I kind of feel like I don't need to trade anything thanks to Microsoft. Yeah. Microsoft, like I said, 327 rejection there. That was the play. 327 rejection there. I want to see Netflix under 396 because if not, it's gonna go back up till 400. And because I don't want to swing anything till tomorrow, I maybe get out. Damn, Netflix, I'm sorry, Tesla is extremely, extremely strong. 264. That was a beautiful 264. I have 264, 265 were my levels, and look this. Apple is holding. I like that Apple 177 hold, but if I don't see Spy and the Q holding yesterday's low, I'm not gonna play the upside. I need a Spy and the Q holding yesterday's low. I'm gonna take some profit on Microsoft, even though it's still like looking bearish, but why not? Yeah. I'm up 50% on Microsoft. So, I like that 396 rejection on Netflix. Ooh, Nvidia is just rejected for 40 in the morning, like early morning. Let's see. But I think it's gonna be difficult for the market to keep going lower because Apple is holding 177 too good. So I don't like the playing the downside here. Also, SPY and the Q both have gaps to fill above. So I don't know. And Apple is just going, is looking bullish. I'm gonna wait and see. Um a Q is weak, but it's holding, and Apple is holding very good too. So I'm saying with the SPY. SPY looks like it wants to go higher. Unless the SPY and the Q lose pre-market low, like the Q is doing right now. Okay, but the SPY is still holding. I don't know. I don't know. Also, if you guys are with in Microsoft with me, understand that Microsoft can bounce here because it has a gap to fill that it created overnight. So, but as long as Microsoft keeps rejecting 327, that's pretty bearish. If not, it's gonna try to fill the gap here. Netflix looking pretty bullish, honestly. Okay, Apple is rejecting 178, but it's holding pretty good. I don't love anything. I think the market is gonna bounce, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, I think the market's gonna bounce. I'm getting out of everything. Took rest of my profit on Microsoft, and I'm getting out of Netflix because I can see Netflix retesting 400, and Netflix too strong compared to the rest of the market. So we're very low. So I think the possibilities that the market bounce here are higher than the possibility that the market keep going lower. Um, Microsoft could, like, I can see Microsoft maybe rejecting here, but I still don't trust anything. That's a beautiful rejection there. So this is what I'm seeing. Basically, yeah, the market is looking bearish because it's under yesterday's low, but it's still holding pre-market low. So unless it loses pre-market low and acts as resistance, I'll play the downside. But if it keeps holding here, I'm not gonna play anything. If I see the Q losing like pre-market low here, um, I'm gonna play futures. But I have a problem looking for the downside also because Apple is holding 175, 177, 178, like very strong. So I don't care right now about Netflix. I'm looking Apple. Apple is looking pretty bullish, honestly. Morning, morning. Yeah, look this. Apple is looking bullish. But Nvidia is extremely weak. Let's see what Tesla is doing. Tesla is holding 267, 265, so that's bullish. Microsoft looking bullish. So yeah, I don't like the downside here. A lot of things are holding. If you have Microsoft and Apple going higher, that's gonna drive the entire market higher. But we can have a choppy market like yesterday and not do anything at all because we have FOMC tomorrow. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, I like that on the Q. But keeps holding here. Watch Tesla 264. If Tesla loses 264, it can go to 260. So far, it's looking not looking good. Yeah, the price action is not good today. Yeah. Well, like I said yesterday, like I knew these coming days were gonna be like this. Like if you really think about it, why will you be trading when you have such an important event tomorrow? Like nobody want to put money. um I kind of like, I want to take Tesla there. I like Tesla. The thing is like, because the market holding so good and Apple is looking pretty bullish, I feel like Tesla is gonna bounce on me. But yeah, Tesla's looking great. But I don't feel like putting money on the line on that. Like I don't like, I really like, technically the technicals are definitely bearish on Tesla, and the 30-minute candle is looking very ugly. But again, I don't trust this Q and SPY move here. Like it's doing nothing, so I don't know. See, like now Tesla is holding there and the Q's doing nothing. Same with SPY. Like SPY is definitely rejecting the yesterday's low, like this gap here, but it doesn't. But it's still holding pre-market low, so it's going nowhere. We're going nowhere. Okay, if we close below this 5-minute candle, below this bunch of wicks, I'm gonna play futures there. Mm, okay, I like that. Mm, mm, mm. I was only able to take two micros. Anybody on Tesla? And we're bouncing again. Nice. Since yesterday, nice. Yeah, the 30-minute candle on Tesla looks ugly, but again, looks like the market wants to hold again. Tesla, that 265 rejection was beautiful. Well, 268 was even better. Look, this 268 rejection there. Okay, we want to see SPY losing here. If a SPY loses here, the Q is gonna die even more. Yeah. Mm-mm. Come on, just go lower. We need a SPY to lose it here. Also, Apple. Apple is the one that is, I think Apple is the one that I was holding pretty good. Same with Microsoft. Microsoft is holding. Meta is holding too. Let me check. Oh yeah, Meta is holding pretty good. But I think the one that it needs to lose it is Apple. Apple is the one that moved the market the most. Yeah. We need a SPY to lose it here. But SPY this 30-minute candle, if closes like that, is extremely bearish. And the Q is the one that is the weakest. So yeah, we need Apple to die so the market can keep dying. But yeah. Come on, SPY, come on. AMD almost at 100. You need AMD to lose 100. Under 100 is the play on AMD. AMD needs to lose 100 because the past few like month it's been bouncing off 100. Let me see. What's the next support on the queue? Well, we can say 368 a little bit. Let's see on the daily. I have a little bit of 368, but mainly I will say 366, around 366. So I will say, yeah, this is the level. Yeah, it has a little bit of support here around 368. But the main one is 366.50 around there. 366. 366, 366.50. That's the level that I'll be watching if can break 368. Oh yeah, I'm not holding. Well, I don't have anything to hold because I already closed my options on Netflix and Microsoft, and I'm only trading. I only have this future play, and I don't swing futures. Like in fact, you guys been here watching me how I trade futures, and I trade futures very different to my options trades. I trade futures very fast. Mm, in fact, I like Microsoft again. Look, this rejection here of 328, but I don't like I like this rejection on Microsoft, but is if I want to play puts, I prefer to take puts on something that it looks weaker. But this 30-minute candle, the first one, this 30-minute candle is telling you that doesn't want to go higher. So if you want to trade any options, I will say Microsoft that play is a good one, but also Apple under this 177.50 level, it's also a good one. Look this ugly candle here on Apple. Yeah, it looks exactly like Microsoft. This is an ugly candle. Yeah, but I don't need to trade anything else. I'm up 1K on futures. Mm, SPY has some. mm, Let me see. Yeah, SPY. Look how yesterday lost. Not yesterday. This was on Friday. Lost the uptrend with a strong candle, which I talk about it on my Discord and the SPY analysis. I always look when the market or SPY or the Q loses uptrends or downtrends. Like I talk here. That's very important. especially because it broke this uptrend with a very big engulfing bearish candle. So that's telling. And then yesterday, the daily candle, it's, where is it? So let's go here. So yesterday, look at daily candle on SPY yesterday. What is this? This is a clear dead cat bounce with a candle on with a long wick at the top. That's a clear rejection. Clear rejection. And the Q, pretty much the same. Yeah, look at Q. The Q is gonna go to that level that I post here, like the 366.50. 366, 366.50. And looking back, this rejection here on SPY was a very easy to play, honestly. The thing is that I was kind of scared to play this rejection because Apple at that moment was looking bullish, but this candle is rejecting this level here. So that level is Friday's low, and yesterday 443 was acting as support. So very clean technical rejection under yesterday's low. Like, damn. So yeah, very technical. It should be easy. That's why everybody says, and I'm agree with that. Like, um, trading, it should be like very like robotic. You shouldn't be thinking. Just play the levels and trend, obviously. I'm almost 2K up on the Q. Nice, 25%. Nice. SPY just dead. Apple dead also. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, remember to like the video. That's the only thing I ask for you. Like the video and subscribe because that's gonna help me a lot. That helps the channel and also keeps me motivated to come here every day. No like, it means no love for me. No love for me. And that's sad. Mm. Microsoft and Apple are looking exactly the same. Both are at pre-market low. Look, pretty much the same. Is Apple gonna hold here? We maybe get a bounce. If loses that, obviously we're gonna keep going lower. Three times? Mm-mm-mm. Why do you get to stop out on Apple? Unless you were playing upside. Which I don't see why were you playing upside with SPY in the queue under yesterday's low. Um SBR, if you already got 25% right, why keep trading? There's no need to keep trading. Like why? It's better to be done for the day. If you have for October, why do you gotta stop out? I don't get it. Why? Well, yeah, spy is at support, definitely. It can be here for or down here to 441, but it is still looking weak. So look, this is still looking pretty weak, and I think as long as Apple keeps looking weak and Microsoft is looking weak also, so I think we're gonna keep going lower. But you scalp again. I'm all out. I'm more than happy with over 1K on futures and 50% on Microsoft. I'm good. I'm helping you here. What do you mean? We are helping each other here. I'm pretty much saying everything that I see when I enter and when I sell. So I'm helping you here. But and you have the my pre-market plan on my Discord. So you have pretty much everything that I'm watching before I even start the stream. Yeah, I do also have mentoring. If you want to have like classes 101 with me, all the info it's on my Discord. There. Or you can always DM me. Okay. That's kind of bullish on Apple. Let's see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close here on Apple. Because it closes like this, holding this level here, 177.50. It's probably gonna bounce. Netflix is holding very good. Thank you. I'm using Tradeovate for futures. I love it. It's very easy to trade there. Very easy to trade. And I'm using Apex for futures also. Here's the link for Apex discount link. If you want to trade a Apex with a discount, mm, let's see. Hello, welcome from India. Yeah, I kind of like Apple for lunch. Yes, I do. I want to see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close, but the thing is, like, for me, I don't know. I don't see like it's worth trading more. Thank you for the likes. Yeah, it's very easy. Just one click. Mm, let's see. Mm, mm. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Okay, so. I'm not in anything right now. Let's see. And I don't know if I want to keep trading because I feel like I'll be over trading. Whoa, what was that, Apple? Okay, that's definitely very bullish. What was that? Let's see, we have 4 more minutes for that Apple candle to close. Okay, so let's see. Apple is rejecting there. Mm-mm-mm. Spy. But Spy needs to lose here 441. 441, I can see it does support here on Spy. So 441. Yeah. How's the weekly looking? Ooh, the weekly is ugly. But again, 441. Yeah. And yeah. I want to see how Apple is gonna close this candle here. Thank you, Don. Have a great day, you too. You're done for the day? Yeah, guys, I think it's better to just be done for the day. Why keep trading? 5 minute candle. Sure. When you have a long wick at the top, like the long wicks means a strong reaction. So if you have a long wick at the bottom, it means this level is acting as support. If you have a long wick at the top, it means that level has it's acting very strong as resistance. That's what the wicks tell you. Yeah, being done for the day is the best thing you can do. Because right now we're probably gonna have just a choppy action just like yesterday. So Microsoft and Apple are looking exactly the same. Exactly the same. Let's see Nvidia what's doing. Mm, nothing. Maybe bounce back to 440 again. I don't know. Let's see Tesla. Tesla is bouncing, but it's rejecting 264. But I will not play Tesla here. I don't see it's worth it. Um, let's see. Netflix. Netflix. I got out because it was holding too good compared to the rest of the market, but it's still right now it's looking pretty weak. So Netflix, maybe I should have held, but but it's choppy. So, and what if it stays the entire day like this and then it doesn't do anything? And then I don't want to hold anything for tomorrow. So, or until end of the day because we might get like a crazy move end of the day. So, yeah, what else? Let's see Airbnb, what's doing? Mm, it's still it's in a downtrend, but it's still fighting. It has um this gap to fill. Mhm. Snow. Damn. Look, this is the rejection that we played on Snow. Look what it is right now. So Snow had this gap, filled the gap, and it's even going lower. Most of the time when you have a, oh well, yeah, most of the time, look, this Snow is the perfect example how gaps play out. So you had this entire gap here and you broke the neck. Also, you had a head and shoulder here. So Snow, I play Snow because it had a gap with a head and shoulder and it was looking pretty weak. So a lot of things at the same time. If you have more than three things telling you that your analysis is right, just go for it. So my let's look for why I took Snow. What was my pre-market plan when I took Snow puts? Let me, it's here. So this is Snow. So my analysis was it was very clean. It had a head and shoulder, broke the neck, and it was making a bear flag. So we have it here, a bear flag on a gap. So it was basically my plan was play a Snow put as long as it was rejecting 164.60. Yeah, I had a 164.60 and to play the gap fill, which I did. And then when you have a gap, most of the time just the stock just fill the gap and then has a bounce. And that's what exactly what Snow did. Fill the gap till 160 and then bounce there. And then because the entire market is going lower, Snow it just keeps going lower because it was weaker than the market. But yeah, Snow was a very easy technical put play. It was like a plus 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 setup. And you guys want to go over why I took Microsoft yesterday and Netflix? Oh, what's Meta doing? I forgot about it. About Meta. Oh, no. Meta's strong. Look, that bounce from 300. That's weird. That's weird. But yeah. Look, that bounce from 300. But I don't know how far it's gonna go. But Apple looks like it wants to go. Apple looks like it wants to go. Hmm. It's tempting me, but I'm not gonna take it because I don't need to. I honestly don't need to keep trading. Okay, let's go. Let me see something. Okay, let's go over why I took. Let's go over the entire explanation of why I took. First of all, let's go over Microsoft. I'm gonna put it a little bit. No, that was yesterday. Okay, this is my pre-market analysis on Microsoft. Let's go over. Okay, so very simple, very technical. So I was looking 330. 330 was the level that I was looking on Microsoft. So basically on Friday, Microsoft rejected 337 with a strong engulfing bearish candle. Also broke this uptrend. So what's the next? Next is most of the time when you have like a big engulfing candle, you're gonna have continuation. So that's what I was hoping for Microsoft to do, and I was looking 330 because 330 it's been a level of support, important level the past few days, and it was Friday's low. So basically, it was looking okay. If Microsoft rejects Friday's low, we're just gonna keep going lower after a big engulfing bearish candle. And let's go to yesterday. Microsoft is gonna die. Looks like it. Let's take this. I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna take it out. Look, 330 here. So 330 Friday was around Friday's low. What Microsoft tried to do yesterday went up, touch 330 with a big, and it has like a big weak rejection here. When you have like a strong wick at the top, that means strong rejection. So that's a sign of rejection there. It's telling me like 330 keeps acting as resistance. I don't remember when was my first entry, but you guys can go to the stream that I did yesterday and you'll see the timeline there. But then I had an alert here at 3:30, and after I finished the stream, I had an alert here. So when Microsoft went here and I saw it like do this week at the top also, and I remember that the SPY or the Q was looking weak, was trying to go higher, but it couldn't. And also what was like very important to me was that yesterday Apple was going high, like very strong, but Microsoft couldn't even break 330. So for me, that was a sign of weakness. So I took more puts here, and then I just held because I knew 330 was my level. As long as Microsoft was under 330 yesterday, I was gonna hold, and that's it. And look today. When I opened here at 327, 327 was a level that I was watching today because it was yesterday, like around, look, it was 327. It was a little lower than 327, but 327 here, 327 here, pre-market low today, around 327. Where is it? Here. This here. This level here. 327. So that was the level to watch today. I didn't like that Microsoft was looking very strong with the market not doing anything. So that's why I took some profit here because I was 50% up, and then I got all out even though I should have held because it was still under 330. But it I cannot like get mad if I got 50% on Microsoft. So yeah. And Netflix was the other one that I took today. I'm sorry, yesterday. Let's see again. So I had 400. 400 was support, rejection level here, support here. On Friday broke the 400 level. Yesterday tried to go to 400, but it couldn't. So that's why I took puts on Netflix. Couldn't go to 400. I knew 400 was an important level. I had it also. I had 400 Netflix on my watch list. Here it is. It had pre-market like on Friday close broke very strong 400, and then it closed with a bear flag. So if you close with a bear flag, or you can say like a dead cat bounce, I was expecting a little bit to go lower yesterday, and it went all the way down to 392, which is the level that it's holding today. 392, 393. That's the level that it's kind of holding today. But I closed Netflix one because um it was looking very strong compared to the market. So I was like, okay, if Netflix is looking stronger than the market, if the market just bounce a little bit, Netflix gonna go up again. And I didn't want to hold anything. I don't want to hold anything for tomorrow. That's why I was like, okay, I prefer to get out because even let's just say Netflix goes here to 400, I'm gonna be down a lot, and then I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna need to like look today the entire day the 400 level for me to know if I wanna like get out in the morning or sometime in the day on the rest of the day. So I didn't want to do that. Um Also, I was like, okay, Netflix, it's been down so much for like the entire week. Yeah, this was on Tuesday. This entire past week. That's a huge move. So I was like, okay, if Netflix looking stronger than the market today and it's been down for like 5 days, it is very normal that maybe Netflix has a green day, just like a relief bounce. So I didn't want to deal with that either. So that's why I got out of Netflix. But yeah, it's not doing anything. But yeah, that's pretty much my why. But the most important thing is, guys, that my why and enter trade is because I have those levels and I have a plan already pre-market. That's it. And if you guys are on my Discord, you know what's my plan. And you can copy those levels and then just trade off the levels that I post on Discord. And then you don't need me. You don't need me to be here. You don't need me to be here for you to trade. Also, I think it's very important to only have like a few things that you're watching. Like I always post like maybe max 5, but I always post like 3, 4 um charts that I'm looking, and that's it. Because I don't want to be looking like 1,000 stuff. You have like very good like 2, 3 levels or 2, 3 charts that you're looking to play. That's more than enough because you're gonna have 2, 3 stocks that you're looking to play, and then obviously you always need to watch the Q and spy. So if you have like, let's just say you have like 10 charts that you're looking plus a spy and the Q, you're gonna need to watch like 12 charts, and even more if some people play watch spy in the Q and also futures, ES and NQ. That's too much for me. That's too much distraction. Thanks for joining the Discord. Thank you. So Microsoft is looking pretty. I regret selling Microsoft honestly because it's looking pretty weak. Pretty weak. Well, it is what it is. 50% on any contract, it's a lot. And 1K on futures is a lot too. So pretty happy. Mm, so yeah. I don't think right now there's any trade that is really like with good risk to reward here. The only one that I like is Microsoft, honestly. But SPY is at support, but Microsoft is looking weak. So if you want to play Microsoft, you can do it with a stop loss about 328. I honestly really like this trade, and mostly because I like how the daily is looking so bearish so far, but The thing is, with FOMC tomorrow, we can have an end of the day rally or crazy move, and but I do like this chart here for more downside, but yeah, I'm not gonna try anything else, guys. I'm done for the day, and I'm very happy with my day. I don't think I need to keep trading over trade. It will be over trading, trying to find something that is really not there. So yeah, pretty happy. I'm done. Thank you guys for being here. I hope you guys also stop trading and just lock your profits and run and enjoy the rest of your day. So, yeah, bye. Thank you for being here. See you tomorrow. Bye.